Um, so here's the thing. Cookie, be quiet. I'm getting ready to dye my hair raspberry. Guessing about the same color as the shirt. Sorry, excuse my belly. Never done this before with the really bright color. My mom is going to kill me, even though I am almost 30 years old. And please excuse my makeup because I was sweating at work all day and I look like somebody beat me. But I usually don't do videos trying to get the attention of any particular celebrity, but Brad Mondo's the shit. So we're going to try and dye my hair raspberry. I know my ends are not going to take as well as my top, but I got to do something different because this is driving me crazy. So I'm going to brush this out real quick. I had like a bob when my hair was really blonde, and I really liked that. But the blonde was just too hard to maintain, and I let it grow out, and I've gotten really depressed because I don't like the way my hair looks. And one of my friends finally said, dude, just go for it, please. You've been talking about it for weeks. So we're going for it. I guess I should mix my color. I don't have a fancy hairdresser's bowl, so I did get these though. I'm not smarter than this bag. But so I am trying to get the attention of Brad Mondo on this because I would love to have him react to this. So Brad, if you get this, please. I'm being that pathetic. Ow. Trying to figure out what I will look like with raspberry hair. I've lost 80 pounds recently. And I'm really proud of myself and trying very much to be like a new person and not so depressed. And I think this will be really good for me. And since it's like a pink color, if I wanted to, I think I should be able to dye my hair red. That's something I know I like, because it'll have like red and purple tones, so pink, I don't know. Brad's probably watching this going, oh no girl, what you doing? But I'm trying. So there's like 2 of those. But yeah, I used to be almost 400 pounds, and now I'm just above 300. And I'm super excited about that. But I've just kind of reached a spot where not much is happening. My hair is grown out. I don't like the way I look. So we're doing this. Who thinks that's really risky? Oh my god, my makeup. Please don't judge me for that. And I took a job where I'm working my butt off, and I went to the zoo today, and I was sweating a lot. So that's what happened to my makeup. I had very pretty, like, purple and pink, like, cut crease going on, and some killer eyeliner. It's not there anymore. Okay. So, probably gonna fast forward through this. Okay, I'm back. Getting ready to section my sections. Don't judge my use of a pencil to hold my hair up, because I started this completely unprepared. You're supposed to do 4 sections, I believe. So, and you're not supposed to do your roots. Forgot my gloves. I'm gonna have raspberry hands. This is from mixing my developer already. So, remember Brad saying make sure it is completely free of knots? I think he said that at some point. Maybe that was on a braid video. Who knows? I watch Brad Mondo videos about 3 times a week, so wish me luck. Am I taking too big of sections? Probably. Is my hair too long? Probably. But I've been trying to grow my hair out for probably a year. Hence the grown out blonde. It's about a year's growth for me. And I'm naturally this weird brown that looks gray in certain lights, and I hate it. So I'm just gonna go all in and really get raspberry colored hands. Wish me luck. That's a bit. Don't think I murdered a Skittle. Oh, that's already turning my ends pink. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be epic. I really hope that I'm not using way too much on these front sections and that I'm not going to have enough left for the rest of my head, because that's a lot. It is a lot. It is a lot. Made sure to wear a shirt that I don't care about. It's like a $2 cami, so sorry if you have to see much decline. That's what losing 80 pounds will do to you. Ain't no thing but a chicken wing. And I know it drives Brad crazy when people don't get right here. Promise, I'm going to do that. Wish there was somebody here to remind me, but I will literally mix up the 3rd one of these that I got and touch them up if I miss them. I promise, I promise, I promise. I'm trying very hard to kind of let myself be unique, because I grew up in a small town where if you were different, everything, that was bad. And I didn't like that at all. I always felt very much like everybody was trying to keep me in this box. And I'm 5'11". Oh, and I just put it on my roots. I messed up. I'm 5'11". I was always chunky. I was taller than the guys. My graduating class was 8 people, so the bullies had to bully someone. So, and I'm not about that life anymore. I haven't lived in that place since 3 years. I moved to a town close to there that we went to a lot because there was nothing in our town. We'd go there to go to the movies and stuff. I lived there for a while and I still didn't like it. And I'm trying very much to be a forgive and forget type person, which I'm not naturally. But if anybody from Hugo, Colorado is watching this, you are forgiven. I'm over it. We're trying to be. You probably don't think you did anything wrong, but you did. And you know who you are. Calling out my bullies in this video too. Not the brutes, Lindsay. Stupid. Stupid person. This is very slippery brush. Like, This is not going to end well. My clients tomorrow are going to be like, what did you do to yourself, girlfriend? And I really tried to, like, I'm sorry that this is all chunky. I really did try to mix that up, but the chunks in this hair dye would not go away. Like, what's the deal? Do you need, like, an electric mixer? Get out, nuts. And I know my ends are dry. I know I'm doing this backwards. I plan on getting a bit of a trim. But I felt this was more important. Use of my time today, just mentally. Brad's probably like, this is the sloppiest application ever. But I'm trying. And I know Brad's not that judgmental, but he does have Brad, you do be like, oh no girl, what are you doing? What are you, like, section? I'm trying, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, that could be why that was working really weird, because I had it on the wrong side of my head. Okay, well, I'm gonna go in on my roots now, because I just did that after I get this in. You know, I was supposed to wait 15 minutes for my roots, but I don't want some roots that are totally different colors. So if I need to redo redo the rest of my hair to lighten it a little bit more, or I don't know. I'll figure it out. No thing but a gun. Now that I said that, ain't no thing but a chicken wing. It's literally the only thing running through my head. Oh, it's starting to itch. And my hair is really, like, fine. And I thought thin. I had a hairdresser tell me that I have a lot of hair. It's just very, 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 like, baby fine. To me, not being able to cover your scalp with your hair translates very much to it being thin. But whatever. We'll go with that lady. This is not staying up. Note to self, next time, be more prepared. I know hair dye doesn't lather. Or is it bleach that doesn't lather? My neck is going to be raspberry. My hands are going to be raspberry. My face is going to be raspberry. I'm going to be the Violet Beauregard of hair dye, except for I'm going to be a raspberry. Each is in the neck edges. Feel free to judge me for this. I'm judging myself for this. It's because I used the dang brush. When I used to do this completely with my hands, never had a drop anywhere. I use a brush, and it looks like a 5-year-old did my hair. Okay, I'm actually using, I don't know if I mentioned I'm using my phone as a mirror. I'm gonna go check this in the actual mirror and see if I skipped any spots. So, I went and made sure that I hadn't skipped any spots. And I've now set a timer for 35 minutes. It said to go to 45 if I feel like I need it, but I've been here for about 20. And it's already looking pretty intense under there. I don't know if I mentioned I used 20 developer. The lady at Sally's recommended a 10, but I was gifted some 20 and I'm broke. She just said that it was going to end up brighter. I was okay with that. Like, I was pretty much okay with getting anything from a bubblegum pink to like a dark purple that was like almost black. I just needed a change. My puppy Cookie, she's over me. So this is getting interesting, so I will update you in a bit, probably when it's washed out and styled.
What have I done?
Okay, y'all ready for this? Oh, it's not very exciting. Oh shit. I don't know what's going on. You ready for this?